Minor dent repair is an effective way to restore a vehicle's appearance while preserving its original factory finish. Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, reshapes metal damage without sanding, filler, or repainting, preserving the original paint and clear coat. This method is ideal for repairing door dings, parking lot dents, light hail damage, shopping cart impacts, and other shallow dents where the paint remains intact. PDR technicians use specialized tools such as metal rods, glue tabs, and reflection boards to carefully massage or pull dents back into shape. By maintaining the factory paint and clear coat, PDR protects the vehicle from UV damage, oxidation, and color mismatches that can occur with repainting. Preserving the original OEM finish also helps maintain resale value, increases buyer confidence, and is especially beneficial for leased, newer, and collectible vehicles. Many dents, dings, creases, bodyline, and hail damage can be fixed with PDR if the paint is intact and metal isn't overstretched. However, traditional collision repair is necessary when the damage involves cracked paint, torn metal, rust, structural components, or severe impacts. Professional minor dent repair offers several advantages, including faster turnaround times, lower costs, and the convenience of mobile service at a home, office, or dealership. Paintless Dent Repair is a cost-effective, durable way to restore appearance while preserving the factory finish and vehicle value.
If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.